You already know what it is, nigga. Ain't no better people, nigga. You already know what it is, nigga. Gonna show y'all get this money, man.
Got it, what's happening, nigga?
Like, tell these niggas, man.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm at the club, but I'm posted on the outside. Nigga, I'm about to pop my bottles outside. Nigga, and if you looking from the outside in, you can tell it's the land by how I ride. My 442, cold blue 1972. So old school, but it looks so new. Chick, we get money. What about you? Hey. I talk it, I live it. Nigga, I eat it, I shit it. Buy the meal ticket, goddamn, and I'm with it. Get up on the stove, nigga, whip it. Haters get mad cause I'm talking about money. I got the right bitch, nigga, I made plenty. The Kush man got 31 flavors. Hey, to all my haters.
Rado, he glow, they know, for sure. Rado, he glow, they know, for sure. Rado, he glow, they know, for sure.